morning, children. Welcome to the e-class of Deepal School, Barikala. Children, today I am going to teach grammar to class 6 students. Everyday English grammar and composition. Today's lesson, which I am going to teach you, is in your half yearly exam course. So please listen it attentively what I am teaching through this video. Lesson number 5, numbers. Here numbers means noun has two numbers, singular and plural. We are talking about that number, singular and plural. Let's begin the lesson. When we make a choice between singular one and plural more than one, we are applying the concept of number in grammar. Number matters in the use of nouns, pronouns, determiner, words like this, that, etc., and verb in the simple present tense. When we are talking about a noun, we generally talk about singular form of noun as well as plural form of noun. When noun matters in the use of noun means when we are using noun or pronoun or determinant like this and that, we see the verb, whether the verb is in present or past. If it is simple present tense, then it matters a lot. Like you can see, if the singular noun is the kite or pronoun I singular or determiner singular this, then always verb will have IES, ES or S with them. Like you can see, flies. Because when the subject noun or subject pronoun or determiner this is there, they are all singular in form, then the verb will have S, ES or IES along with them. Like you can see, flies. In the second case, plural, when we see the noun in plural form, kites, plural pronoun we, plural determiner these, then you can see verb always remain in simple present tense without any using any S, ES or IES. It always remain as it is, like in the original form or base form, you can say fly. There is nothing is added to the verb fly. Now plural. In English, plural are generally formed by adding S or ES to the singular form of the noun. Plural formed by adding S or ES to the singular form of noun are called regular plurals. Plurals which are formed in any other way are called irregular plurals. Means when just applying S to the noun, we change from singular to plural, it is called regular plural form of noun. But when we, without using S to it, when the noun is changed into plural by other means, then it is called irregular plural form. How? You can see regular plurals: bird singular, birds plural; umbrella singular, umbrellas plural; road, roads; bus, buses; wish, wishes. Here S and ES is added to the noun, singular noun, then it change into plural. That is normal form of changing from singular to plural. But irregular plural chart, you can see MAN, man singular. But if we want to change into plural form, MEN, men; child singular, children plural; mouse singular, mice plural; foot singular, feet plural; deer will remain deer in both the case singular and plural. You can see here it is irregular because here no s or es is added to change the noun from singular to plural. That's why they are in irregular plural form. Now, how we generally change singular to plural? Rule number 1. With most noun we simply add s to the singular to get the plural. In most of the case, when we just applying s to the noun, the singular noun, it changes into plural noun. Right? Road, roads, cloud, clouds, place, places, carpenter, carpenters, tip, tips, bag, bags. They changes from singular to plural. Now in rule number 2, when we add es to the word that ends with sh, ge, ch or x, o, they change from singular to plural. Then how it is, you can see here pass ends with ss. Plural will be passes, passes, es. Bus and with s, then it will be buses. Palace, palaces. Blouse, blouses. Excuse, excuses. Bush ends with sh. Bushes, bush, es. Dish ends with sh. Dishes. Page ends with ge. Here just add s, pages. Bridge, bridges. Garage, garages. Match, matches. Pouch, pouches. Here you can see most of the words are used es to change from singular to plural. That's why in not only adding s we change from singular to plural, but es also is added to the word ends with sh, ch, x or o or ss or s. They have es in their plural form. Third rule, when the plural singular ends with the sound made by letter p, t, k or th, add s to the make the plural. You can see when a word is ends with p, t or k or th, then just add s to make singular into plural. Cap ends with p, caps. Tulip ends with p, tulips. Rat ends with t, rats. Jet, jets. Rock, rocks. Book, books. Path ends with th, paths. Bath, baths. Myth, myths. Here word ending with p, t, k and th have only s in their plural form. Now about rule number 4. You can see the word that ends with y, the words that ends with y have ies in their plural form. Baby, babies. Lady, ladies. Puppy, puppies. You can see all the plural have ies in their plural form. Now some words are there, even though they ends with y, they don't have ies in their plural form. Why? Because they have a vowel before them. Before the y there is a vowel. Boy ends with y, but o is a vowel before y. That's why only s we have to add. Boys. Ray, ray, ray. Here also ending with a, ending with y. Before that y we have a vowel a. That's why only plural have s, y's. Rays. Now comes monkey. Monkey also ends with y, but there is a vowel e before y. That's why plural only have s, monkeys. Now rule number 5. Singular ending in o usually form plurals by adding s, but some such word need es to make plural. Means if a word ends with o, generally have s in their plural form, but some of the words are there ending with o have es in their plural form. studio, here plural will be studios, only S. Piano, pianos. Hero, here you can say ES is added, heroes. Kangaroo, kangaroos, just add S. Potato, here ES, potatoes. Echo, here echoes, ES. So here some word ending with O have ES and some have only S in their plural form. Rule number 6. In plural of noun ending in F or FE, the F or FE is replaced by VES. Means if the word is ending with F or FE, they have VES in their plural form. Examples: half, HALF, and with F, plural will be halves. Knife, knives. Life, lives. Some nouns ending in F, however, make their plural by adding S. You can see some words are there ending with F, then also they don't have VES, just they have S in their plural form. Some of the case like clip, clips. Belief, beliefs. Handkerchief, handkerchiefs. Why they have F? Because before F vowel is there. Clip before F I is there. Belief before F E is there. Handkerchief before F E is there. All are having vowels, that's why they have S in their plural form. But most of the case the word ending with F have VES in their plural form. Rule number 7. The plural of a small number or nouns are formed by a change in the vowel sound. Like some case we don't use any VES or IES or ES or S to change from singular to plural. Like foot have double O. We just change double O into double E, then it will form the plural form. Foot, feet. Goose, geese. MAN, man, when we write MEN, man, it is changed from singular to plural. Now, rule number 8. Some nouns do not change their plural. Means the nouns which remain in singular, the spelling what they have in the singular remain the same in the plural as well. Like deer, singular also deer, plural also deer. Sheep, singular also sheep, SHEP sheep, plural also SHEP sheep. Fish, singular also fish, plural also FISH fish. They don't change their spelling in plural form. Now rule number 9. Some nouns are always used as singular though they sound like plural. Like news, politics, billiard. All the nouns ending with S you can see, but they are all in singular form. They are not in plural form, but the spelling is showing that they are in plural form, but the spelling is like that only. News, politics, polites and billiard. These are all three words ending with S. Even though they are singular, they looks like plural. Some nouns are always plural. Some nouns are always plural. Like scissors, binoculars, trousers. You can see all of them are ending with S. Because even though they are singular, their spelling is like plural. Scissors, you can see two things are there. Scissors, to cut. So they are in plural form, that's why the spelling is plural. Binocular also you can see two lenses are there, that's why they are in singular also, they are in plural form. Trousers also in the plural form, even though they are singular, they are in plural form. To make them singular, we add a pair of before them, like a pair of scissors, a pair of binocular, a trouser. Here, without adding S or ES with the spelling, we just add a pair of to make from singular to plural, because scissor looks like plural, but it is a singular. But if you want to show the plural form of scissors, then just write like this, a pair of scissors. Trousers also, a pair of trousers. Binocular also, a pair of binoculars. Here no es added or s is added to the plural form. So this lesson is over, children. Noun and their number, singular and plural. It is very important lesson for the exam point of view. So please repeatedly listen this video at home. And my advice to you, always read the or listen the video in the presence of your parents, so that most of the thing they will also listen with you, and they will also help you in understanding it more clearly regarding this lesson. So children, thank you for watching this video, and be at home, be safe, and prepare for your exam, coming exam, and try to listen your parents. God bless you. Bye bye.